Okay, here in Unreal, which folder which you need, for example, mesh, here import and the exported file like this, static mesh. Here you can import this file. Be careful because this file is data smith, so it should be imported with this part, this section. I will talk about it later deeply. I just want to do it right now. So here FBX, export selected, then I change it to FBX, back, a new folder, static mesh, underscore FBX. In this folder, I add a S. It can be like this or something else. Save. Okay, here in geometry, here smooth group should be selected and also turbo smooth and these items, but others are not necessary. And okay. Back in Unreal. Here at this section, import FBX. Choose your format and open. Then you face with this window, and I will talk about this later deeply because it has many tips and techniques, but for now here I click on import all to import all of the assets to this section. And as you can see, all of the materials and textures and all the models will be imported here. So this is a technique to import the files here. Now I select all and delete. Next technique is click and drag. Right here in this folder which we just export, we can have a click and we can drag it to Unreal. And again this window and import all. And here are the models. And from now on you can use them in your project like this. Here in detail, select these items and reset to have them exactly like 3D Max file. Like this. The reason that the material is not correct here is that the material was V-Ray and here it should be converted. It should be converted to standard. But we can use data smith to solve this problem. For example, I delete these items and here at this part I use data smith. I'll talk about it later, but for now I just want you to see how it's working. Model, data smith, open, mesh folder, okay. Geometry, material, light, camera, animation. Here just geometry and material. And the settings about resolution, they're okay. Import. It will be imported here like this. And as you can see, inside of it, the materials will be created and also the textures. Normally, we select these items and move them to some special folders which we categorized. And here we can have move, copy and advanced copy. Here I select move and it will be moved like this. Now I can delete this folder. Now next one, select the materials. We have a master here. Others are instanced to this. And here like this, I drag these items to material. Move like this. We need to wait for this process. And now you have material here and the models are here exactly the same as before. See? Now I decrease the speed of camera to be able to move better. So importing can be possible with click and drag and also import tool. Next technique is copying this folder to the created folder. It will be okay. For example, this FBX file, which we have it here, copy, and here a new folder in the mesh model. Here this one should be deleted. I create a folder here, FBX. All the folders and files which you create will be added to the path which you create there. I mean, when I copy this FBX file, then here in this path, start, right here, content, here in this folder, static mesh, model, FBX. I paste it here. It will be imported here automatically, here in this folder, see? When you click on import, they will be added here. Like this. We have different techniques to import some assets from another software to Unreal. We will talk about all of them.